What's up, RCNUTS? We're out here doing another bash. What do we got out here, man?
We got a RedCat Terremoto 4x4. Got a fishing line on the tires so they don't blow up.
Ooh, doggy.
Quick little truck there, I'll tell you.
Got the brand new ARRMA Kraton EXB. Gonna do the maiden voyage bash on this sucker. Just got the motor and ESC and everything in there.
Ooh, can't wait for that. Check out this Gravedigger Swap Stampede 2S brushless in that guy.
Oh yeah.
The Slash 4x4 rocking a zebra truck today.
One of our favorites.
Oh yeah.
Called the Screamer.
Screaming in them willies. Two-wheel drive Stampede. 4S on it on board today. Two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash, you know it.
Hell yeah.
Beat that guy.
Heck yeah. Say what's up, Malachi.
Say hi.
Hey guys.
Say hi.
Cole, say what's up, Cole. We also got the ramp out here, of course. There it is. We're gonna see what we can break on these things today, guys. Oh. What happened? Oh. Oh no!
Let me see if I can do it. Only one. We just have to scoot up back together, Dad. Did I actually just break it
Alright,
off?
yeah, go put it in the truck. Oh!
Wumble, wumble. Oh, wumble. Oh no.
Oh! Oh, we got a pin coming out. What happened? Stampede launch to the moon. Cool, stop it. Oh, now you can do it. Woo! Cool, you're gonna mess it up even more.
Landed.
First run, guys, it looks like she's still alive. Oh! Reno showed up!
What up, man?
Yeah! I got the shredder. Nice. What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
Yeah. Nice, man.
Yeah, I went and picked that up last night.
Heck yeah.
In my 4300 kV brushless motor and $100.
What? Damn, dude, that's a hell of a deal. Woo-hoo! Nice.
That's nice. How it gradually drops down. When you're up, you're like, oh, where'd it go?
I know. It lands nice and smooth. Ha ha ha!